Today I'm going to show you how to get a smooth skin in Adobe Photoshop with beautiful texture. First press Ctrl J to duplicate. Double-click on this, and rename it, Color. Let's make one more copy by pressing Ctrl J, double-click and rename it, Texture. Disable the top layer. Select the layer below, go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll make the radius 3 pixels. Then click OK. Enable the top layer. Go to Image, and choose Apply Image. From the drop-down, select the color layer. The blending, subtract. The scale, 1, and the offset, 130. Then click OK. Change the blend mode to linear light. Now disable the top layer. And then select the layer below. Open your mixer brush tool. Select the clean brush at the top. Make the wet, 10%. The load, 70%. The mix, 90%. And the flow, 100%. And paint on the skin just like that. Just make sure that you stay away from the edges. When you're finished, enable the texture layer. And paint on the skin. And this is the result. Thanks for watching.